Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into some super useful how to use food in Last Word Survival. If you're playing the game and wondering where all that food goes, this is the video for you. Let's dive right into it. First up, in the early stages, especially when your HQ is below level 10, food and iron your main resources. You'll need them constantly for upgrading your buildings. But once you cross level 10, things get a bit more advanced. Gold joins the party, but food is still crucial alongside iron. Next, every time you train new soldiers in your barracks, it costs food. So if you're planning to grow your army, better stock up. Now let's talk about research and healing. Some research takes requires food to start, especially that the ones boost your efficiency. And after intense battles, healing your wounded troops demands a good chunk of food too. So yeah, don't overlook it. Moving on to some resource management tips. Open food chests from time to time. This scale with your HQ level, so the higher you go, the more food you get. And here, a smart tip. Keep those chests in your inventory until you actually need them. Why? Because you get attacked. Your stockpile is safe from being looted. But last or at last, not the least, alliance contributions. You can use food to take donations to your alliance. This helps everyone progress faster. So don't forget to chip in when you can. And that's it. That's how you can effectively use food in Last War Survival. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more quick and powerful game guides. Catch you in the next one.